Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh, yakshimash, good day, y'all. Today I'm going to be doing a quick look video of a review and also a demonstration using my Karcher window vac. This is the Karcher WV50. Now, I have had this machine since they first came out, so this is not new. But it looks like new because I really look after it. Well, I look after everything that I have, to be honest. And I've really looked after this. And it's still in perfect working order. And I must have had this for at least 5 years. So, let's bring you guys closer and let's take a look at the WV50. Now, I love this little device. It has not let me down in all the time that I've had it and been using it, and I do use it frequently during the summer months. It's very easy to come apart. There, at the sides there, the bottle pops out, and then you're left with the main part here. This is the Karcher WV50 3.6 volt 12 watts. Alfred Karcher. Winnenden, made in Lithuania. So this is made in Lithuania. Karcher.com there embossed on the side. That's the little collection tank that comes with it. So you just fit it in the bottom, clip it in. If you want to empty it, you can take the bottle out, take out the little plunger, and then empty out the wastewater and give it a rinse out and give it a clean. Pop the stopper back into it. So pop it in there, clip it in, take the top part, put that on, take the squeegee and clip it in like so, and you're ready to go. Now, there are lots of different attachments and everything for this, including the part that you use for cleaning the window, but I only have this. This is all I have, plus the charger. When you put it into charge, you won't be able to see because the plug's over there. The little red light flashes, and once it's stopped flashing, then it is fully charged and you are ready to go. It has its advantages and it has its disadvantages, of which I will show you right now outside cleaning some windows. So I have my bucket of water in here, warm water. I've just put a little bit of generic detergent, and what I'm going to do, you don't have to soak the windows, you can just wet them, clean the worst off, and then just to get that off, and there we go, it's as easy as that. So let me just finish off the rest. So there we go, it's as easy as that, and the windows now look amazingly clean. The glass looks fantastic. Beautiful reflection. Now it's time to do the inside. Now with these windows, that one and that one open out. So I'm going to do that with each window. Now that is the problem that I have, because this is quite a chunky thing, this is the only negative thing I found with it, is that if you have a windowsill or something in your way, it's really hard to get down right to the bottom, because if you go, you can't, sometimes it's just, and you're not supposed to tip. If there's water in here, you're not really supposed to tip it out because it's going to go into the machine. It causes issues. And I've had water squirting out of the fans here, out of the vents at the side. That is the only negative thing. If you've got a purely straight, no hindrance, you're fine. But as soon as you start doing inside with big windowsills, then you kind of hit a bit of a snag. That's the only big thing that I can find negative. So let's crack on with the other one. Not perfect, but it's done the job and the glass now looks amazing. So the only thing I need to do now are the other two inside. And because I have quite a chunky windowsill in this part, this is where cleaning them becomes a bit of a pain. But I could just use a normal squeegee. Do the other one. Let's get the mess off. So it does do it, but not as good as if you don't have anything in the way. Let's try the patio windows now. I almost forgot about the glass in the back door. And the inside. That's better. Okay, let's crack on with the patio doors. So doing these big patio doors, well not big patios, but doing these bigger patio doors, I've got a little bit of fairy liquid detergent, so I can really wash the glass. got these a little bit wetter. Looks really good. Just one more to do. And there we go, that'll do. And as you can see on the inside, that's what's left of the mucky water. Not too much. There's a max fill line there as well, but yeah, really impressed with that. Love the Karcher window vac, even with its problems of the windowsills. I still think it's a very handy little tool to clean the windows. So there we go, there's another job done using the Karcher WV50. There are other brands that do these kinds of window vacs which are cheaper. I can't say anything about them because I've never tried them. I just know that I've had this for a couple of years, I've looked after it, and it's still working absolutely fine. So I'm just going to take it apart, rinse out the bottle and the top, put it away until I need to clean more windows. So until next time, I'll see you then. Bye!